Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and watching CGHOW video. Today I created this black magic effect in UE5.3 Niagara. So let's start this tutorial. And you can find this file on my Patreon as usual. So let's start this. So I have this empty folder, black magic. I'll create a new label and I'll save this into my folder, black magic. Okay. And let's make this light little darker, maybe 1.5 or maybe just 1. Or maybe I'll go down a little more. Okay, so next thing I have this animation, this setting pause, and I have already downloaded it. I'll just need to import it. So I will just create a new folder here, anim, and I'll just import that from the download folder. I'll use this exported time and create new material, import all. I have this downloaded here. Cool. So what I'll do next, I'll just create a new sequencer here. Just sequencer. You can drag it here and click here to autoplay when you will play from here. And I'll just use loop indefinitely. Then I'll open this and I need that animation. So I will drag this animation into my sequencer. And then we need that animation because this is just static for now. So on 0 frame, I'll just choose this animation. And now if I play, it is animating. And you can increase this frame like this animation is this much long. So I'll put this here. Okay, so this is how it looks. Cool. Next thing, I'll make this ground bigger, maybe just 100. And then I need that exponential height fog. I'll make this maybe dark. And also I'll increase this a little more darker. And then light, maybe just 0.2. Yeah, this much. And we can make that exponent height fog little more desaturate. Yeah, so it's now matching with the darkness. Don't worry, I will add some lights, of course. So you can add light like I will